Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing some true false not given practice about reading module. So I had scored band 9 on both my reading modules, even in my academic as well as my general IELTS exam. So I'm going to share some easy tips and tricks so that you people can also achieve the same bands in your reading and not fear about any type of questions. So let's begin. So students often find difficulty in answering these and they always tell that they are not able to figure out how to do true, false, not given or yes, no, not given. So, in order to attempt the true false not given questions, there are few basic things that you should keep in mind, and probably it will become easy for you to solve these questions. So, the first thing is to underline the keywords. Okay, so once you have underlined the keywords, the next thing is to find out similar words, words which mean the same thing, synonyms, and try to look for those in the passage, because there is a high chance that the same word that is given in the question will not be given in the passage. So we can have eaten, whereas in the passage the word can be consumed or ate or had. Or say for example in the question we can have originate, whereas in the text you can have words like belong to some place or native to some place. So it is very rare to find exact words or exactly similar words in the question and passage. So we need to look for those synonyms. The third one, after we have actually underlined the keywords, we have written the synonyms. The third one is to go and find this information in the passage itself. Once we have actually found that, we should answer the question, which is we should not leave any answer blank, right? Because there is no negative marking on your IELTS exam. So based on the information that is there in the passage and the question, you should attempt every question and mark it, because you don't get marked negatively. So try to attempt all the questions. And the very important and the last thing which I wanted to share is true, false, not given questions are generally in order. So if you are finding one of the answers, it will always be in order, in sequence, right? So it will move progressively forward. Alright, thank you. I hope you found this video useful, and if you do want to see more of these true, false, not given questions, please do comment down below and I will be more than happy to share some more tips and tricks with you people. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.